Hola chavales, and welcome back with another video with Spanish with Alvaro. Today we're gonna talk about the masculine and the feminine, the singular and the plural in Spanish. So, let's start to it. Masculino versus femenino con los artículos determinados. The defined articles, which are el for the singular masculine, los for the plural masculine, la for the feminine singular, y las for the feminine plural. Well, normally in Spanish, the words ending with O are masculine. The words ending with a are feminine. And the words ending with E, well, can be both masculine or feminine, depending on the word. You just have to memorize them. So, but we have an exception. Some words can end with O and are feminine, and some words can end with A and are masculine. So in every language you have a list of exceptions, and in Spanish it's the same case. Let's move to another slide. The indeterminative or undefined articles, los artículos indeterminados, which are used to talk about something that is unknown, something that isn't specified, undefined. Un es para el masculino singular, unos para el masculino plural, una para el femenino singular y unas para el femenino plural. We use these articles, we use them with el verbo haber. El verbo haber en español, it's translated to there is or there are, but it's only used in this singular form and in the third person, I. So if you want to say, like, for example, there's a cat in the street, you say, hay un gato en la calle. If you want to say, there are coaches in the street, you also use I. Hay coches en la calle. So it never changes. Now, we have to express with I an existence of something. Okay? So, en general, se usan con el verbo haber en tercera persona para expresar la existencia de algo. Let's take a look at some examples. We have, con el masculino singular y plural, el pueblo, los pueblos, el museo, los museos, el caballo, los caballos. As you can see, el pueblo, it's like a town. Museo means museum. Y caballo means a horse. En el femenino singular y plural tenemos la fiesta, las fiestas, like the party, the parties. La playa, las playas. The beach, the beaches. La discoteca, las discotecas. The club or the nightclub, the nightclubs. Then we have the masculine words ending with A, like el día, el problema, el tema. El tema means like the subject, the topic you're talking about. El planeta, el clima. El clima means the weather. El sistema. Many words ending with A are from Greek origins, and that's why they are masculine. We imported them from another language, and we left them as masculine, not feminine. You have now el programa, el diploma, el mapa, el drama, el sofá, el pijama. Now we have some few words in feminine that ends with O, like la mano, la radio, la foto, y la moto. Now the words ending with E. As I said before, they can be or masculine or feminine, it depends. So we have el tomate, la llave, el aguacate, la calle, el sobre, la tarde, el chicle, la clase, the tomato, the key, the avocado, the street, the envelope, the afternoon. La tarde means the afternoon. It starts usually from 3 p.m. till 8 p.m. in Spain. El chicle, it's like the gum, the chewing gum. And la clase, you know it. Now, let's move to some words that, if you use it in masculine, mean one thing, and if you use it in feminine, mean another. Here we create a dilemma, because el plato no es la plata. El plato, it's a plate, it's a dish. La plata, it's silver. El cigarro is the cigarette that you smoke. Pero la cigarra, it's an insect. Tenemos el poema de la hormiga y la cigarra. No sé si la conocéis o no, pero vale la pena leerla. Es en francés también. El foco, which means or the spotlight or just a lamp, like a small lamp that you can puedes colgar en las fiestas. Y la foca, it's an animal. El pasto means the grass. Y la pasta means the dish, the pasta. El barro means mud. But la barra means like this loaf of bread, the baguette. El cartero, the postman. La cartera, it means like your wallet, the thing you keep money in. El suelo means the ground. Y la suela, it's the part that of your shoe, the inferior part of your shoes that you step on. El punto, it's just a point. But la punta is the edgy point of something. El bolso, it's your backpack or your bag that you take with you to places. La bolsa, it's a plastic bag, like you do shopping with, you put some grocery in it. El pato, it's an animal, it's a dog. La pata, it's the animal's leg. El gorro, as you can see, it's the thing that you put on your head in winter. And la gorra, it's the one that you use, the summer hat that you use in summer or in spring. El ramo, es un conjunto de flores, like it's many roses or flowers put together. La rama, it's the branch of a tree. El pimiento, it's the vegetable. Pero la pimienta, it's the pepper that you use in your cooking. El naranjo is the tree. La naranja is the fruit. El palo, it's like just a stick, a wooden stick. Pero la pala is used in gardening, in una granja, in a farm. El puerto y la puerta. La puerta, pues, is the door. El puerto, como podéis ver, es donde vienen los barcos y descargan todo en el mar. It's the port. El judío, it's the Jewish guy. La judía, it's a vegetable. El manzano, it's the tree. La manzana is the fruit. El libro, it's a book. La libra, it's a currency. It's the pound. El policía means one police officer. But la policía means like the whole police station, the whole body of the police. Now we have some singular words ending with S that remain, well, just like they are in singular and in plural form. And mainly are, well, most of them, if not the majority, is masculine. Como el o los paraguas, el o los lavavajillas, el o los sacacorchos, el o los saltamontes, el o los microondas, el o los paracaídas. So each time you see like a word, a complex word composed of two words, like para aguas, lava vajillas, saca corchos, salta montes, micro ondas, para caídas. It's always masculine and it's always it's ending with an S, and it remains the same in plural and singular form. Now you have some words that you cannot use it in plural, like la ropa. You can't say las ropas. La fruta. You can't say las frutas. La gente. No puedes decir las gentes. Es muy incorrecto. El pelo. When you are talking about your hair, you cannot say your hairs. It's el pelo, no los pelos. El marisco. El marisco here, it's seafood. So you say el marisco y no los mariscos. Y el zodiaco. You cannot say los zodiacos. Because here it's like the embodiment of something. We are talking about a group of many things included in it, but it's singular. Now you have like la concordancia. Los adjetivos que terminan en e o en consonante son normalmente invariables. Like the adjectives ending with e or a consonant, they don't change. Like, for example, you have un país, they don't change according to the gender. Like, un país grande, una ciudad grande, un plato tradicional, una bebida tradicional, unos países grandes, unas ciudades grandes, unos platos tradicionales, unas bebidas tradicionales. You always have to end you have to put an S to form the plural form in Español. And for the words or adjectives ending with a consonant, you just add an E and an S. And well, that's it for today, guys. I know it's been a long video, but it covers everything you need to know about articles in determinados e indeterminados. Tenéis plural, singular, femenino y masculino. Y cómo concordar los adjetivos. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this video because it will help me a lot to grow my channel. And well, see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Ciao, chavales.